basically I saw this picture and I thought of this. Yeah, not really that similar. Kind of a fail. Honestly, better than what I was thinking. I was really gonna print out a tiny picture of her face and put that in the middle of my eye. But then I realized that wouldn't fit.
Rise and shine. Rise and shine.
Hey guys, what is poppin'? Today I'm going to be showing you guys this Rise and Shine inspired makeup tutorial by the Kylie Jenner meme that's going around literally everywhere. If you don't know what I'm talking about, have you been living under a rock? Because it is everywhere. So I was thinking about that meme in my bed. I was just laying down, you know, chilling, doing my thing. And then I thought of doing kind of a makeup look inspired by it. I thought it'd be pretty cool. I imagined it to be a lot better in my head, and it came out basically like Stormi did it. So I mean, still kind of works, you know, because it was for Stormi. Looks like Stormi did it. So yeah, my artistic abilities aren't that great. This is the first time I've drawn anything on my face, and clearly I suck at it. And I was also looking at my viewfinder. I wasn't looking at a mirror or anything, so I wasn't really able to see up close. But I'm sure if you try to recreate this and go into the mirror up close, you know, you should be able to do it good and better than me, and you're probably better of an artist anyway. So no matter what you do, this look is gonna come out better than mine did. So even though this sucks and looks like Stormi did it, I still want to show you guys, you know. So let's get on into the video and see how we got this Rise and Shine inspired look. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Natural Beige, my normal concealer color. And I'm dotting that all over my lid and making sure to cover my regular normal eye color and kind of really set the base for this very bright look. Now I'm taking the Sephora Waterproof Brush Tip Liquid Liner. I'm not gonna lie, this wasn't really the best liner for this look. It kind of just kept getting everywhere. But I'm sure maybe if you use gel, or maybe if you use like a pencil, something a bit more precise, I guess, even though the brush tip is pretty precise, but something, I don't know. It depends on personal preference. Something you're more comfortable with, definitely use that. And I'm doing half a circle on top of my lid and half a circle on the bottom of my lower lash line. And the reason why I did this is because I couldn't fit a sun on my lid, basically. So now I'm making triangles around the sun to reflect the rays in the Rise and Shine look. And I'm just making 3 lines. So I'm making the base of the triangle and then putting one line up and then the other line up and creating that kind of triangle effect and then going around all over my eye. Now I'm taking a makeup remover wipe and kind of wiping. Yeah, this really didn't help literally at all. If anything, it made it worse. But you know, this wasn't really the first thing that went wrong in this video. Many things went wrong. So now I'm taking the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and I'm dotting that all over the inside of where we're going to be placing our yellow pigment. And I'm kind of blending that out with my finger and making sure to set the space so that it's ready to have the pigment on top and so that it's bright as possible, because again, we want it to be real bright and rise and shine. Alright, now I'm going in with the yellow shade in the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. There's only one yellow shade in it. You could use literally any yellow shade that you have. And then I'm going in with this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 8 brush and dotting that all over the half circle under my lower lash line. I kind of went over the black because I wanted to cover the black line from the eyeliner, and I really thought I would be able to do that. Yeah, that didn't work out. But again, a lot of things didn't work out in this video, so I mean, this is just to add to it. And now I'm doing the half circle on top of my lid and adding that yellow pigment all over, and again trying to cover that black line, which really didn't work out again. So I'm building that up and kind of blending that over, and now I'm going in with my Morphe E36 brush with the same yellow shade and filling in the mini triangles that we have, and again really adding that pigment and trying or attempting to cover up that black line, and failing, of course. But I just went around every single triangle all over my eye and took the yellow and really builded that up because I want it to be nice and bright. So doing that with the rest of the triangles, making sure to go over each one all over the eye and making sure to be very precise because the triangles are small, so you do want to use a more precise brush like the Morphe E36, and then going back with a second layer of the pigment to really build up that yellowness and make it very bright. That's it. We are done. It was a very easy look. It didn't turn out the best, but it was very easy, very fun. I don't know. I feel like I just had to give in to the meme, you know? But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and this look. You know, if you were thinking about doing a Rise and Shine inspired look, which you probably weren't, here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I know it turned out like Stormi did it, but hey, it's worth a try, and at least I attempted to do it, and this is the most artistic I'll ever get. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you soon in my next video, and rise and shine. Bye!